So what we're going to fix here is a problem that occurred on a couple of machines where this lead screw here and the stepper shaft here are touching each other inside of this coupler. Ideally, we want them apart so the spring part of the coupler here can do what it does best. So we're going to take our small Allen wrench and we're going to loosen up both sets of set screws. Not very much, just half a turn. All right, we're also going to need to loosen up the pulleys up here. These have the 2 set screws as with the bottom. We're only going to pull this down about 1/4 of an inch. No real need to tighten this up very much other than ever so lightly snug it, because we're going to move these back up when we're done. All right, I'm going to set it up so that the top of the shelf in here is at the top of the stepper. It does not need to be dead on perfect, but close enough is good enough. I'm going to gently snug these guys down so we know they're not going to move. Not a whole lot. And now we're just going to carefully twist the lead screw until it's in there. And if you look from the side with a good light, you can see when the lead screw starts to enter the springy part, which we don't want. So we'll just carefully tighten those up, like so, and like so. Repeat on the other side. And there you have it. That's how to fix the Z-axis coupler issue. Now when you're all done, come along, re-level the bed. It's always a good idea after you've done anything mechanical to the machine to re-level the bed and reset your zero height, but you should be good to go at that point. Definitely take your time when leveling the x-axis. Obviously, if it's not perfect, leveling the bed should help take care of that, but you obviously want the x-axis as precise as you can get it. Hope you guys found that useful, and I'll see you later.